Hey everyone, this is Alpaco, and this is how to use one-touch white balance on the Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark III and Mark II. For the Mark III, in video mode, go into the white balance panel and choose a custom white balance selection. Make sure there's something white in the center of the frame and click the info button, then hit the OK button to confirm. In photo mode, you do the same thing. Both modes are independently saved, so you will have to white balance once in video mode and once in photo mode. To do this on the Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II is exactly the same, but you have to be in photo mode and it will save the white balance when you switch to video mode. Here, I switch to video mode and you see it saved the white balance Kelvin. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.